Do you know what? There's been quite a lot of hazard lights today. I wonder if you took like a survey of a couple of hundred people, how many of them would actually know what the hazard lights are really used for? Because there's another one there, look. I wonder if anyone like actually knows the actual use of the hazard lights, because that's not it. Even the police can't get it right. Look, they park in a taxi bay. Oh, I'm so nasty towards the police, aren't I? I'm so sorry. And for anyone saying, oh, they're probably tending to an emergency, they're probably on call, I guarantee you, 99 times out of 100, they're gone to get some food or coffee. That's what they do. They're awesome people, the police in Bristol. I don't know. I got no idea. If you've worked it out and you're laughing along, well done. If you haven't, then whatevs. Oh, there he is. Look, there he is, just there. Blocking the bus lane.